Is it a hardtop? Is it a tent? In this video, we're gonna show you it's actually both. A Jeep Wrangler is an awesome vehicle to own because there are endless adventures to be had. This vehicle, equipped right, will take you anywhere that you want to go. So what could be more fun than setting up camp for the night out in the middle of the wilderness in your Jeep JL Rubicon? Today we're going to be installing a hardtop, pop-top flip tent manufactured by Ursa Minor on this 2018 JL Rubicon. To get things started, as you can see, we've got the hardtop removed, and we're gonna be doing a couple wiring things just to tidy up some stuff on the inside before we do the manual labor and lift the hardtop on. The first thing that we're gonna be doing is relocating the third brake light. On the JL Wrangler, the third brake light is actually built into the tire carrier right here. Ursa Minor actually gives you some stuff to relocate it into the hardtop. So we're gonna be making the wiring happen. Instead of in here, we're gonna run it up through here. The next thing we had to do is relocate the satellite radio antenna, and that got relocated from the sound bar up to the cowl, which should make sure that you get a lot better reception. We are totally excited about this install because it's the first one we've ever done. Hopefully we do a whole lot more because what a perfect platform for getting out in the middle of nowhere and doing some camping. So we've got the Ursa Minor J30 top installed on this JL Rubicon. It was definitely a group effort lifting this thing onto the Jeep. It's super heavy. I wanted to give you a quick tour of what this thing looks like on the outside. As you can see, the owner of this Jeep had it fabricated so that he can hang an ARB awning on this side. They also have embossments on the other side, so if you wanted an awning on the passenger side, you could do that as well. There's two clamps right here that hold the front down and keep it secure. And I wanted to show you the little third brake light in the back because that's pretty slick as well. To attach the hardtop to the Jeep, there's some hardware down the sides here, and there's bolts right here in the front that connect it to the hardtop. Installation was pretty straightforward. I think we put 4 bolts in, and of course all the wiring. So now let's get this thing opened up so we can see what the full tent looks like. I think that's the most exciting part. So to do that, what we're gonna do is release these 2 clips in the front. Next, we're gonna go inside, and there's a small pull tab, like a ripcord, that we can open up. So right here is this red ripcord, and we're gonna pull that. And as I pulled it, I could hear 2 different latches release on the side. There's a latch right here, and there's one on the other side. And we're gonna slowly pop this thing up. As you can see right here, there's gas struts that actually assist the top going up and down. So that's literally how easy it is to open up the tent. There's some more stuff that we got to do to actually make sure it's ready to camp in, and we'll show you that inside. This is what the inside of the J30 looks like. A lot of it is carpeted. There's actually some pockets to keep some stuff up in the front, but all the inside here, this is carpet. These are all gel-coated panels. There's two latches right here that you've got to release. Once you release those latches, you can push these panels up and slide them back to get up into the tent. Now, when you're in the tent and you want to get ready to sleep, you got to make sure you put these panels back in place so that you can put the mattress there, so obviously you don't fall into this giant hole. Up in the front here, there's some cool power outlets. There's some cool power outlets and a switch for some LED lighting, which is pretty slick up in the tent. Let's head up there. So here we are in the tent. We've got a couple things to do to get ready to camp out for the night. This pole is basically most of it, and it can be made longer or shorter so that it's got some support there. This thing also has some windows, which is pretty cool. You've got some options here. You could zip this thing out for a full window, or if you're afraid of bugs and that kind of stuff, it's got this window with some mesh netting in it. And it'll keep all the bugs and stuff out for the night. It's pretty cool. This thing is also got power up here for lights. So we've got a light right here, which is pretty neat. And then there's some other lights up here in the corner, some reading lights. That would make it convenient for reading your favorite novel while you're out camping in the middle of nowhere. These are the panels that get put back in the floor before you would put your mattress down. So what that would look like would be just like this. So this goes just like that, and you would slide the mattress pad in, and you're ready to lay down, take a nap. It's pretty awesome. There's also some electrical outlets. Here's one in the corner here. That's like your standard cigarette lighter style outlet. In the opposite corner are two USB outlets. I really love how this thing came out. Let us know about your favorite exploration adventure in your vehicle. What equipment do you use? What's your favorite? Thanks for tuning into this video. Be sure to check us out on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube for all of our awesome content. Have a great one.